Evening. Hi Andy. Hi everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is C Ashok. Welcome back to the Chartereds Academy YouTube channel. I am come with an exciting announcement for the CMA Inter students. I think you are already follower of our YouTube channel. మీరు ఆల్రెడీ మా యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ కానీ ఫాలో అవుతుంటే you already know that regarding the CMA Inter exam oriented batches. Okay, CMA Inter exam oriented batches. We got a lot of views and lot of admissions regarding that. But what we am trying to convey here, I'm come with another exciting batch for the CMA Inter booster batch. Booster batch for the FA Financial Accounting. This is the booster batch for the FA Financial Accounting. So this batch, we are going to applicable this batch. What is the specialty of the, what is the difference between the regular batch? What is the difference between the exam oriented batch? What is the difference between the booster batch? Very simple. In a regular batch, we cover each and every problem, each and every question. So in a detailed manner, it will be almost 150 hours. But in exam oriented batch, we cover only concepts and minimum important questions. But in the booster batch, it's not regular, it's not exam oriented, it's a medium batch. Like this batch cover the each and every concept, and this batch cover the 80% of the questions. And the batch number of hours for this batch will be the number of hours. $100 hours. In 100 marks, going to cover in the 100 hours only. Okay, this batch, sir, freshers can attend. Yes, freshers can attend. And so why only for FA this booster batch going to be launched? Very simple, man. Most of the CMA students are find difficulty to clear the accounting paper. I really surprised to see, because there is a lack of conceptual knowledge, there is a lack of practice, and there is so many problems. So what we do, we are come with an exciting batches for you, FA, regarding the FA Financial Accounting batch. That is the booster batch. The number of hours of the batch will be the 100, and this batch will be going to start September 1st. Who are going to taken by this batch, sir? Our faculty, CA Amarnadh, or accounting faculty, CA Amarnadh, sir. He is more than 15 years of experience in teaching of accounts. Have a more than 15 years of experience in the teaching of accounts. And what is the fees for this batch? A very nominal fee we are going to for this batch, only 2,000 rupees. Okay, ma? Only 2,000 rupees. First attend our demos. If it is okay, then enroll here. Sir, what is the mode? Both offline as well as online mode. Okay, na? So thank you guys. Thank you very much. If you are really interested for enrolling this batch, please contact the below number 6300724448. Sir, what is the timing of the batch? Every day, it's an evening batch, ma. 5:30 to 7. Happily, you can attend this batch and revise the whatever the subject taught by the faculty in the classroom. You just follow this 5:30 to 7. 5:30 to 7. Just follow this timings 5:30 to 7. Okay, ma? Thank you very much, guys. Please and follow there is our website. Go through the Chartereds Academy website. You can enroll from the website also. And this batch is very important, sir. Very important, sir. This is very important. And this batch is completely full in English mode. Full English mode. This batch was in full English mode. Okay, ma? This batch was in full English mode. You got it, ma? Thank you, Max. Thank you very much.